How to give Facebook page access to someone else. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account and switch to your Facebook page. So as you can see, I've already switched to my Facebook page and I've already gone to my profile. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines on your profile over here. So just tap on three dotted lines and then tap on the page status option. Then scroll down and tap on manage admins over here. So tap on manage admins and here you can see people with your Facebook page access. So right now it's only me. Now if you want to add or give Facebook page access to someone else as well, you can see the option of add new. So tap on add new and then tap on next and then you can search over here by their name or your username. So I'm going to search over here. And then here you can see that you can select what you want to give access on for that person, from insights to ads to content, community activity, or message and calls. So you can give this access accordingly, whichever you want. And after giving that access, you just have to tap on give access. And you just have to mention your profile password and then confirm, and then you'll be able to give Facebook page access to someone else. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.